short and sweet etude in E minor. Really interesting to do, just a really long bow, up and up bow and down bow and up bow. Just remember to just use most of your bow while you're playing this, and pay attention to the accidentals that do get a little tricky kind of in the middle of the etude, so pay attention to that. Otherwise, really fun little etude that shouldn't be much trouble to learn. Everything is in first position, and really easy to intonate. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.